Okay, so today's video, we're gonna be showing how to restore headlights if they kind of go yellow or hazy, all that, you know, good stuff or bad stuff. So I've done it a few times on my car, 2006 Jetta. I'm pretty much notorious for any vehicle, but you can kind of see they have this haze. If you kind of go behind where the hood line is, you can see it's this clear and then it gets this yellowish color. So if they're super bad, you might want to hit them with something like, I would start off with maybe a 1000 grit sandpaper, a wet sandpaper. Just kind of get it wet and keep it water on it. Sand it down if it's super rough and very hazy, and then follow it up with 2000 grit sandpaper, and then you can go ahead and use something like this. So I've used this a few times, headlight lens restore. You'll see a bunch of variations of this in the store. You can pick it up anywhere like Walmart or something like that, but it's basically made to do what we're talking about. So take it from this yellowish haze to clear. It does that, but it won't, like if this is ridiculously hazy, you can almost catch it or feel it with your nail. I would go ahead and do what I was saying as far as using maybe 1000 grit wet sandpaper followed by 2000 and then this, because otherwise you'll be here all day trying to use this. I'm just going to use just a rag, nothing crazy. You can use something like microfiber, anything's really gonna work, but this is just an old cut up t-shirt just for this the purpose of this video. And if you want to expedite things, if you guys have orbital polisher or even a rotary polisher, you can basically do this in 5 minutes or less with both headlights. So I'm going to show you the basic way, and we'll go ahead and get started. So stuff's not rocket science. You're basically just going to apply this onto your towel and just kind of go in circular motions, and you will see that it'll start to come clear. So I'm going to go ahead and show you guys that, and we'll show you the end result as well. So this is with me just doing half. Honestly, it took me about 2 minutes. I haven't spent much more time on it. Just kind of going in circular motions, and it works quite well. You can see I haven't done this corner here. Hopefully you guys can see in the video the haze compared to over here and how crystal clear it is. Again, I haven't touched this yet. So I usually do this periodically. It seems to kind of wear down. You could put some sort of protection on it afterwards, but I just kind of hit it every few months or so and clean them up. Just a low-key maintenance, nothing too crazy, but that's what it is. So I'm going to continue to finish this one, and then we can go on to the other side. Again, you can see just how hazy it is without doing it. So let's go ahead and finish this side, and then we'll compare. Also, one other thing, you can see just how much yellow is coming off on the rag here. So obviously this chemical is blue, and you can see all the yellow kind of plastic or haze that's coming off of this thing. So alright, so this driver's side headlight is done, and I kid you not guys, this car has about 300,000 miles on it. It's a Volkswagen TDI Jetta, so tons of miles on it, and this is what the headlights can look like with a little bit of care. But yeah, I think it looks great. That's about as good as I'm happy with on this side. I mean, you probably could spend a bit more time and make it absolutely perfect, but this is as close to perfect as I want to get it. And here's the haze that you can kind of see. There you go, that's probably a better picture. So you can just see how hazy it is on this side. So we're gonna go ahead and polish up this side the same as the other side, and then we should be done. Okay, so I'm halfway done on this headlight, and you can see just the difference. Here's where it's almost crystal clear, and then you got this brutal haze on this side. So let's go ahead and finish it up. I'm vlogging. Okay, so we're all done. it came out much better than before. It was all yellow and crappy looking, so I think this is call it a day. Alright, so thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed that video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and check out all the other videos on the channel. We got a lot of other content on here, but as always, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Take care.